What would your reaction be if you saw a $1,000 credit alert from something you set up in under 1 hour, using nothing but your laptop? Now, before you roll your eyes, this isn't crypto, it's not Forex, it's not stock trading. And no, it's not some get-rich-quick trick either. But that's exactly what millions of people assumed until they tried it. Here's the truth most people never hear. Regular folks, no followers, no funding, no fancy degrees, are quietly using basic AI tools and a simple laptop to build $1,000 to $5,000 per month online income stream from their bedrooms. In this video, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it, step by step, through AI-powered dropshipping stores, digital products that sell themselves, plug-and-play spreadsheets, and affiliate blogs you can build in under 30 minutes using free tools. But make no mistake, 99% of people watching how to make money online never earn a single dollar because they focus on the wrong things. So before the end of this video, I'll be sharing some key secrets so you'll not only see how these strategies work, but which one fits you best and how to launch it in the next 24 hours with your own laptop. And first is marketing with dropshipping. You see, most dropshippers chase trendy products and flashy ads, yet overlook the true profit engine, email marketing. By pairing a simple AI-powered dropshipping store with automated email flows, it's possible to turn first-time shoppers into repeat buyers and rack up passive income each month. The reason is that email isn't old news. Global email marketing revenue is set to hit $17.9 billion by 2027. And abandoned cart emails convert at 34% when automated. In practice, beginners who launch a small store and activate basic flows often see $300 to $1,500 extra per month inside 90 days, depending on traffic and niche. And this is how you can get started. First, spin up a storefront in under 10 minutes using a free AI store builder. Drag, drop, and watch product pages auto-generate. Next, link AutoDS to handle sourcing, stock syncing, and fulfillment from AliExpress or similar suppliers so orders flow out without manual effort. Now comes the magic, email. Sign up for a beginner-friendly tool like OmniSend and import a few template flows, welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and order confirmations with upsell offers. Add a pop-up offering 10% off your first order to capture visitor emails even if they don't buy on the spot. Finally, schedule weekly or bi-weekly broadcasts showcasing new arrivals, special deals, or seasonal collections. Once set, these sequences run themselves, nudging subscribers toward another click, another purchase, and this is how you can monetize because the real money grows from loyal customers. Every new subscriber represents potential repeat revenue. As store traffic climbs, the email list swells, and so do automated flow earnings, upsells, and holiday promos. Savvy sellers report a 20 to 30% lift in total revenue after adding email, making it one of the most scalable profit channels. Platforms like Klaviyo and OmniSend confirm that email flows can reclaim up to $5 for every $1 spent. Even entry-level stores notice revenue bumps within 30 to 60 days when consistent traffic meets smart automation. In the long game, email marketing often outperforms paid social ads in ROI. Email marketing is the secret edge most beginner dropshippers skip, but mastering it early can outpace competitors in mere months. Next up, an AI-powered approach to creating and selling digital products without any design or writing chops. Selling digital products using AI. Digital products like eBooks, templates, and mini courses are exploding in popularity, and now AI tools make it easier than ever to create and launch them without being a writer, designer, or expert. This model transforms raw ideas into passive income by using smart tech to do the heavy lifting. The reason is that the global e-learning industry is projected to exceed $400 billion by 2026, and a growing slice of that market is owned by solo creators using AI. According to Statista, low-ticket digital products priced between $10 and $50 are generating $500 to $3,000 a month for beginners who focus on solving specific problems. And they're doing it without expensive software or years of experience. And this is how you can get started. Kick things off by defining your niche using a simple AI quiz funnel. Tools like ChatGPT can generate personalized questions to figure out what kind of product a potential customer needs. Next, map out the offer using DeepSeek, which helps turn scattered ideas into a clear digital product game plan, complete with outlines, positioning angles, and pricing suggestions. Once the plan is in place, move into creation mode with Gamma. This tool builds product layouts for things like online courses, guides, or slide decks. Just feed in key points, and Gamma structures it all for you. Then jump into Canva to design sleek product covers, promo graphics, and branding in minutes using templates built for beginners. Now it's time to launch. Host everything on a one-page AI-built website using Hostinger. These sites look clean, load fast, and connect easily with PayPal or Stripe. Finally, bring in traffic by posting short-form videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Use AI writing tools to draft captions, hooks, and scripts that match what's trending. And this is how you can monetize, because the cash comes in through direct sales. Sell digital products through platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or directly on your Hostinger site. Low-ticket pricing makes impulse purchases easy, while upsells and bundles increase the average order value. With no delivery cost or inventory limits, nearly every sale is pure profit, making this one of the highest margin online models. Now, creators with just 1 and 2 niche digital products are already seeing reliable income streams. Gumroad reports that many new sellers hit $1,000 a month in their first 60 to 90 days by targeting underserved niches and building repeatable traffic funnels. Digital products offer infinite scale, zero overhead, and full automation once launched. But you see, there was a way to earn by creating something even simpler. Selling AI-generated spreadsheets. Spreadsheets aren't just for accountants anymore. In fact, they've become one of the internet's favorite plug-and-play tools for saving time and reducing stress. From daily habit trackers to automated invoice calculators, thousands of people are buying spreadsheets not because they can't make them, but because they don't want to. With AI, you can now create and sell sleek, functional spreadsheets even if you've never touched a formula in your life. Digital marketplaces like Etsy, Notion, and Gumroad have seen a surge in spreadsheet-based digital products. Some of the most consistent sellers? Finance organizers, productivity dashboards, and business calculators. According to Etsy Analytics, top spreadsheet creators are making $2K to $5K a month, selling downloadable templates with simple but high-utility functions. Unlike ebooks or online courses, spreadsheets are fast to build, easy to understand, and rarely get refunded. You can start by finding ideas people already want. Use Zik Analytics to scan bestsellers in your niche. Then run topics through Google Trends or Answer the Public to discover what people search for, like monthly cash flow tracker or freelancer invoice log. Once you find a winning concept, head over to Julius AI. This tool generates spreadsheet layouts, formulas, and logic from plain text prompts, meaning you can say, make a wedding budget tracker with separate tabs for vendors, expenses, and total budget. And Julius builds the whole thing out. Once built, package your spreadsheet visually. Use Canva to create polished previews that show the spreadsheet's interface. Add mockups, charts, or lifestyle imagery to stand out on crowded marketplaces. Then upload the product to your own site using Hostinger or a similar platform. Keep it simple. Product description, a demo image, and a Buy Now button. Upload the file in XLSX or link it through Google Drive for instant delivery. To get free traffic, create blog content using Phrase or ChatGPT, targeting long-tail keywords like Best Budget Planner Spreadsheet or How to Track Spending in Excel. These posts rank in Google, build trust, and passively feed your product page with warm buyers. Each spreadsheet you create becomes an income-producing asset. Pricing typically falls between $5 and $30, and many buyers purchase multiple at once. Upsell bundles, email lists, or licenses for business use to maximize revenue per customer. Some sellers with just 6 to 8 products are consistently making 4 figures monthly on autopilot. Spreadsheets offer a lean, evergreen way to start selling digital products with no writing, filming, or audience. But if you're ready to level up and go long form, this next method turns these same skills into full-on digital books with even more earning potential. Creating and selling an ebook using AI. Look, ebooks have long been the quiet workhorses of online income, digital guides that sell themselves on autopilot. But now, thanks to AI, you don't need to spend weeks writing one. With the right tools, a high-quality, value-packed ebook can be generated, designed, and launched in just a day. And once it's live, it becomes an always-open storefront selling useful knowledge. In 2023 alone, the self-publishing ebook market brought in over $1.1 billion in the US alone, according to WordsRated. With 1/3 of American readers preferring digital formats, the demand for quick, practical, downloadable reads keeps climbing. Beginners who go into niche-specific topics like personal finance, fitness plans, or digital skills are consistently earning $200, $2,000 a month by publishing on their own websites instead of crowded platforms. It all begins with clarity. Use Google AI Studio to brainstorm and structure your book. Ask it to generate chapter breakdowns, titles, and summaries for your chosen niche. For example, type, "Outline a beginner-friendly guide to launching a food blog in 30 days," and watch it craft a full table of contents. Next, plug that outline into Gamma.app. This platform uses AI to generate clean, flowing content that feels structured and easy to read. No formatting required. It builds each section out into digestible chapters, adds visual dividers, and even includes front matter like acknowledgments and prefaces. Now head to Canva and create a standout cover. Use free templates optimized for Kindle, Gumroad, and standard ebook formats. Choose a style that fits your audience, bold for marketers, soft tones for wellness guides, or corporate polish for B2B content. To sell, build a frictionless product page on Hostinger. Include a description, sample preview, benefits list, and purchase button. You'll host a download file, PDF, or EPUB connected to Stripe or PayPal and launch instantly with zero coding. Drive traffic with content that matches the ebook's theme. Post short-form videos on TikTok or Reels, highlighting key tips from your book. Or write blog posts titled "Top 5 Ways to Your Niche Topic" and pitch your book at the end as the full solution. The pricing is usually flexible, $7 to $49, depending on depth, design, and perceived value. You can bundle it with spreadsheets, checklists, or templates for a higher offer. Once the ebook sells consistently, upsell a companion video course, workbook, or private community access. One well-positioned ebook can act like a vending machine, always working, never sleeping. AI drastically cuts the time and skill needed to get it out the door. And when you host it yourself, every dollar is yours. No cuts, no royalties. But what if you could run an online store that sold real, physical products without touching a single box? AI-powered affiliate marketing using a niche website plus video strategy. Affiliate marketing has always been a solid way to make money online. But now, AI has completely changed the game. Instead of spending weeks building a website, writing SEO blogs, and editing videos, beginners can launch a full affiliate system in just days using AI tools that handle everything from start to scale. It's like having a full content team without paying for one. You see, the affiliate marketing industry is expected to surpass $17 billion globally by 2027, and digital products are leading the charge, thanks to high commissions and recurring income. With platforms like PartnerStack, marketers can promote in-demand AI tools, SaaS platforms, or e-commerce services without creating or managing any products. When paired with AI site builders and video generators, this creates a plug-and-play system that's already helping beginners earn $500 to $2,000 a month within a few months. And this is how to get started. Go to PartnerStack and sign up. Choose from affiliate programs that offer recurring payouts in niches like AI tools, e-commerce, social media software, and more. Print on demand is a hot niche right now. Products like Printify have generous commission structures and wide appeal. Before committing, validate the niche using Google Trends. Search keywords like print on demand and look for consistent or growing interest. This ensures long-term traffic potential. Next, build your affiliate website using Hostinger's AI Website Builder. Choose the business website plan. Input a short description of your brand and let the AI generate your entire site layout, including pages and visuals included. Tweak the design using built-in assets to match your style. For example, build a site called Pod Blog focused on Printify tutorials and resources. Once the site is live, generate content with Hostinger's AI blog tool. Prompt it with something like, write an article titled How to Start Print on Demand for Beginners featuring Printify. Embed your referral link inside the content, then connect your blog to Google Search Console so it starts ranking organically. Now, amplify your reach with AI-generated video content. Go to InVideo AI and prompt it to create a full video script and voiceover for the same topic. Choose a 10-minute video style, review the visuals, and export it. Post this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with a link back to your article or directly to the product. And you can earn affiliate commissions every time someone clicks your link and signs up. With platforms like PartnerStack, many SaaS tools pay recurring commissions, so one sign-up could pay you every month. Blog posts bring in long-term SEO traffic, while short-form videos drive faster, viral clicks. Together, these dual engine builds passive and active income around the clock. Printify and similar SaaS programs offer 15% to 30% recurring commissions through PartnerStack. Hostinger's AI tools allow users to build full websites in under 30 minutes, making it one of the most accessible setups for beginners. Countless new affiliates are using this system to grow part-time or full-time income streams simply by creating niche content that ranks, converts, and scales without ever touching a product. And there you have it. With just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and the right tools, you can build a steady stream of income. Whether you're launching a digital product or starting a physical product store, every method we've covered today works without needing any inventory or previous experience. It's almost like building a business from your bedroom, minus the late-night snack distractions. But what if you could earn even more just by copying what already works? I found 2 viral channels making $200,000 a month using AI, and I decided to follow their exact blueprint. Click here to watch what happened when I did.